Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we put negative number 1 go to the left, negative number 3 go to the left, and now we have y equal to s squared plus 1 and y equals to s plus 3. Now we need to graph about this one and this one. So the graph should be like this. We see that this is about parabola and that is about s squared plus 1. So the graph should be like this. When s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. That's why they go to number 1 in here. The next one, y equals to s plus 3. The graph should be like this. So we see that they go to number 3 in here. The area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So the first thing we need to do, we need to find the intersection in here and here. To do about this intersection, we see that we have y and y in here, and now we just connect like this. So I will put this one go to the left, and we have s squared minus s 1 minus number 3, we have negative number 2. So we find the solution of this one, and we have s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative number 1. So this one we have negative number 1. This one we have positive number 2. So after we find this intersection, we can create about the integration in here. So that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 2. And we know that we want to find the area. So we need to use about the upper function. Minus the lower function. So the upper function, that is about this one. The lower function, that is about this one. Now we have like this. Upper function, we have y equal to s plus 3 minus lower function, that is about s squared plus 1. So we simplify and we have negative s squared plus s number 3 minus number 1, we have number 2. The integration of this one, we have the formula in here. So for this one, the integration of s squared, we put number 2 on here. So 2 plus 1, we have number 3. This one, that is about number 1. So number 1 I will put in here. 1 plus 1 we have number 2. This one we have 2s. And we have the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 2. So we put number 2 gone here. Negative number 1 gone here. And we have like this. So we calculate this one. And we have 9 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.